Hi all, this is Steve Murray, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the Australian and New Zealand dollars, both versus the US dollar in here, and looking for shifts in here, or seeing shifts to certainly more negative tones for both these currencies versus the US dollar in here, particularly for the Australian dollar, with a breakdown through key support levels which now shifted the intermediate tone to bearish. So we're going to start off looking with the Australian dollar. We've had this plunge back from 77.19, driven lower by the RBA in here, the Reserve Bank of Australia's rate cut on Tuesday, a bearish outside pattern, a kind of a pulls back then through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday through the US employment report plunging lower. The breakdown on Tuesday anyway, shifting the tone to more neutral, with the breakdown through support in here, through the trendline support, and through this support at 74.74. However, the break's still lower through 74.11 in here, shifting the intermediate term tone far more bearish in here, creating a more significant topping structure. Also through the highs here, which created this longer term basing structure. A bigger picture now into the second half of, or through the middle of May into the second half of the month, is for deeper correction threat now towards 71.06, 70.00 and 69.71 targets. For the New Zealand dollar, not quite as bearish a statement as yet. However, the market went right down and actually matched the low here at 68.05, through which we'll complete a double top structure. We have these two peaks in here from mid to late April and from early May, 70.54, both at 70.54. A break of 68.05 completes a double top structure, shifting the intermediate term tone from bullish at the moment that runs all the way from the beginning of the year to more neutral, and then real threat through then 66.64, through which we'll then see a far more bearish shift. So New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar in here certainly setting up more negative. Australian dollar already made its bearish statements. New Zealand dollar poised to make similar negative statements into mid-May. This has been Steve Murray, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.